What's going on, everybody? Welcome back here at the City Hall, Mobile. I was about to meet with the mayor, but they canceled his open hours. So I also walked out to my car this morning, or actually a few days ago, like 2 days ago, to notice that my tire has a nail in it. Nail. Sucks. So I'm here at the dealership now, and I think it's gonna cost me, I think they're gonna give me the service for free actually, but I did need new tires, so it's almost like a sign, right? Like, you need new tires. God's probably telling me, just knock it out right now. Or maybe, you know, I'm actually getting a discount because instead of paying for all four, I'm just gonna have to pay for three. So I guess this was a good thing that happened. Man, hours later, after waiting for my tires, finally, I get to leave. Jeez. Good thing about my laptop and everything, I was still able to do some work or something. It's better than nothing, but let's go get my ride and get out of here. Alright, back at the house now. Got the tires done, you know. Didn't get to meet up with the mayor today. He actually we're pushing that back 1 week, I guess. You know, something may have come up on his schedule. But still got a lot of stuff done today. I just got through listening to Jim Rohn, and for about an hour and a half, writing down some notes and working on self-development and, you know, trying to build and, you know, work on my philosophy, you know, like my own personal philosophy on life. But like right now, I guess some family came over right now. I'm about to go chill with them. Let's go check them out right now. Come here, Ro Diddle Diddle. Say what's up, Ro Ro.
Slow motion.
And you? That you? What's that? That's you? Okay. Dipset. Alright. Y'all love the camera. Y'all love the camera. Alright. Oh, yeah. Is that how you get it? This is my cousin. She's looking like a young Alicia Keys right here.
I have to tip my hair.
No hair did.
Damn right. And I'm gonna keep it that way.
Alright, so the fam just took off right now, and it's getting pretty late, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down tonight. Thank you guys for tuning in, and if you haven't done so, please do me a huge favor, subscribe, hit that red button right there, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Take it easy.